I've taken fresh peach pie and turned it into a high-protein homemade ice cream with cottage cheese. Yes, cottage cheese gives this nutrient-dense dessert a rich, creamy texture that is naturally sweetened with honey and maple syrup. I've added the delicious flavor of a pie crust with my homemade gluten-free graham cracker bits that take this ice cream to another level. If you haven't tried cottage cheese ice cream yet and love peach pie, this recipe is for you. You don't need an ice cream maker and it's ready to enjoy in 2 hours. And then in our bowl, we'll just quickly spread this around with our spatula. Now we get to add our peaches, and you can use either fresh or frozen. Now as our natural sweetener, we'll add 1/3 cup of honey. And I came up with these really adorable little gluten-free graham cracker bits. This is very #satisfying. So this is gonna go into the freezer for several hours. That is so delicious. That is just an instant, flavorful burst of peach pie. Get the whole recipe and video on my website, gentletummy.com.